Welcome to this explainer. Okay, picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee, feeling great about the day, and then suddenly, boom. You realize your gas bill is due literally today. We've all had that moment of sheer panic, right? Well, today we're going to dive into the exact step-by-step process for paying your Oklahoma natural gas bill securely and efficiently online, so you never have to feel that way again.
So, ever realized your bill is due right this very second? Going digital solves this problem in a heartbeat. By shifting your utility management online, that stressful last-minute scramble becomes a total thing of the past. It's an absolute game changer.
Because honestly, going paperless and managing your account digitally is the ultimate solution here. It completely eliminates the stress of sifting through physical mail and doing all that manual tracking. Plus, it saves you from pesky late fees, hunting around for stamps, and dealing with unnecessary paper clutter piling up on your kitchen counter.
Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering today. First, the digital payment advantage. Second, accessing the payment portal. Third, choosing your payment method. Fourth, automation and troubleshooting. Fifth, account security best practices. And finally, a quick summary and official disclaimer.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, the digital payment advantage.
Making the switch to digital billing unlocks this highly organized dashboard just for you. You get a full 13 months of billing history right at your fingertips. 13 months! Plus, you get instant email or text alerts the very minute your bill is ready to view. It wipes out paper clutter completely and sets the stage for some really effortless payment methods.
Moving right along to Section 2, accessing the payment portal.
Now, if you're already a registered user, this process is incredibly streamlined. You just visit the official Oklahoma Natural Gas website, click into the My Account portal, and punch in your username and password. From your dashboard, finding the Pay Bill section takes just a couple of clicks. But what if you haven't registered yet? Or maybe you're paying on behalf of someone else?
Well, that's where the guest payment option comes in. If you're in a rush, you can bypass the login screen entirely. You just select guest payment, enter the billing account number, and verify the account using the zip code or address. It's a fantastic, completely frictionless way to process a quick, one-time payment.
Okay, Section 3, choosing your payment method.
So, the payment method you pick actually affects your final out-of-pocket cost. Notice the strategic contrast here. If you pay directly from your checking or savings account using an ACH bank draft, the transaction is completely 100% free. However, if you choose to use a credit or debit card, the transaction is processed through a third-party vendor. And what does that mean? Yep, you guessed it, a convenience fee. So understanding this difference is absolutely key to keeping your costs down.
And hey, if you're always on the move, Oklahoma Natural Gas has an official mobile app for both Apple and Android devices. You just need to have your online account set up first. After that, you can log right into the app to view your payment history, manage your payment methods, and pay your bill directly from the palm of your hand. Super convenient.
Let's roll into Section 4, automation and troubleshooting.
If you want to truly put your bills on autopilot, setting up AutoPay is hands down one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It automatically deducts the exact amount of your monthly charges straight from your checking or savings account right on the due date. No late fees, no stress, and absolutely zero additional cost to use it. And don't worry about any sneaky surprises. You'll still get a detailed copy of your bill about 2 weeks before the draft happens, so you always have plenty of time to review it.
Now, what's really interesting here is the average payment plan. We all know natural gas bills can fluctuate wildly between summer and winter, right? Well, this plan smooths out those unpredictable winter spikes by calculating a rolling 12-month average of your bill. It essentially spreads the cost evenly throughout the year, which makes your monthly household budgeting incredibly predictable, a real lifesaver during the colder months.
Of course, technology isn't perfect, and let's be real, we all forget passwords from time to time. If you ever get locked out of your online portal, recovery is super simple. Just click Forgot Username or Password on the login screen, enter the email address tied to your account, and you'll get an email with reset instructions in just a minute or two.
Moving on to Section 5, account security best practices.
With literally any online transaction, keeping your financial data secure has to be an absolute priority. This right here is a direct, critical warning straight from their official terms of use. Look, you might stumble across random third-party websites claiming they can process your gas bill, but they are not affiliated with Oklahoma Natural Gas. You have to make sure you're only using the official website, the official app, or authorized payment locations. Using unverified vendors could compromise your data or severely delay your payment. Just don't risk it.
Always safeguard your account. Never share your username or password with anyone. And here's a highly specific but very important technical tip. If you're trying to make a guest payment, you actually need to make sure you are completely logged out of your active My Account session first. Otherwise, you might run into system errors. And naturally, if you ever suspect your account has been compromised, get on the phone with customer service immediately.
And finally, Section 6, Summary and Official Disclaimer.
Let's quickly wrap up with the core takeaways. By leveraging these digital tools, you are taking total control over your monthly utility obligations. Using the digital portals eliminates all that physical paper clutter. Choosing ACH bank transfers saves you from those annoying third-party credit card fees. And setting up autopay? Well, that ensures you will never ever miss a deadline or face a late fee again.
If you ever hit a roadblock, have a question about a specific fee, or need to verify your account security, this is the number you'll want to save. 800-664-5463. That's the official Oklahoma Natural Gas customer service line for direct, verified assistance.
Now, for a quick disclaimer, please keep in mind that utility policies, website interfaces, and third-party processing fees can and often do change over time. While this explainer covers the current systems in detail, you should always check the official Oklahoma Natural Gas website for the absolute most current information and policy updates.
So, we've covered the digital advantages, the step-by-step portal access, and the smart ways to avoid extra fees. With all these highly secure and convenient tools right at your disposal, what is stopping you from logging on today to streamline your finances? Go ahead, take a few minutes to set up your digital preferences and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated budgeting. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.